Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Bengal Commerce. In today's video, I will be discussing about the topic GST rate. So what is GST rate? Before starting on the topic, I'll be talking about some concept of GST rate. So what is GST rate? Whenever we buy any product or taking any services from any individual, we take an invoice of that particular. Suppose, for example, if you buy a mobile or a AC in this hot season, summer season, I was talking about the AC only. Okay. Suppose we went to a shop and buy the AC. The cost of the AC is 50,000, but we are paying more 50,000 plus 28% GST, right? Plus GST. So this 28% is charged by the government. So this is GST rate. We are buying a book, no GST. We are eating in a restaurant, paying GST. We are buying food, paying GST. Buying vegetables, no GST. But why? Packaging food, paying GST. Raw food, no GST. So what is the concept? What is the game of this rate? So let us discuss on the topic GST rate. Come on. So friends, you're getting a point of view that GST, right? So present GST rate and structure is present in front of you. So you can see the present GST rate structure: rate slab, number of items and items. Just as I told before that if we buy a raw food, we are paying 0% of GST. That is this one, 0% of GST. But if we buy packaging food, we are paying GST. But why? Same concept. In that case also we are buying food. In this case also we are buying food. But the difference is where? In that case we are buying raw foods, and in this case we are buying packaging food. So this is the game of the GST. Each and every product has its own rates of GST. 0% rate for the agricultural products and books too. 5% GST is charged on branded cereals, edible oils, insulin, footwears up to rupees 1,000. Insulin. A sugar patient is taking an insulin, so he or she have to charge the GST of 5%. And branded cereals, edible oils, insulin, footwears up to rupees 1,000. This whole lamenda is under number of items, that is 308. 308 items are under this provanda. Next come 12%. Rate slab 12%. Number of items 117. What are the category of this item? Butter and other fats, pasta, diabetic food, mobile phones, bicycle, including the packaging food too. So butter, other fats, pasta, diabetic foods, mobile phones, bicycle. So this comes under 12% tax rate slab of the GST, and number of items comes over here 178. Next comes 18% tax slab. Number of items 517, that is 517 items are there. So what are the items? Vinegar, marbles, paints, plywood. Vinegar. In Chinese cooking, in Chinese item, we basically put the vinegar. So that charge is 18% according to the GST rate structure. Next comes marbles. While building a house, we used to make the floor of marbles, tiles. That's charged 18%. Paints. This paint is charged 18%. And plywood, the wardrobe which is made but the plywood is charged 18%. That's called plywood. So here in this lamentation it comes 517 number of items. Next on 28% there is cement, auto parts. Auto part means the parts of automobile, means like parts of car or bike, right? Toto Auto 2, 28%. ACs, tobacco means cigarette, and aerated drinks. So what is aerated drinks? Cold drinks is also known as aerated drinks. Okay, cold drinks, aerated drinks, charged. Now there is a note. Besides, there are two more slabs of 3% levied on gold, silver, semi-precious stones, and 0.255% on diamonds and other sources. So beside this charge rate, there is another charge rate, that is 3% levied on gold, silver, and semi-precious stone. What is semi-precious stone? Precious stones is gold, but semi-precious stone is this one, the rings, this one. These are all semi-precious, and these are charged under 3%, and 0.25% on diamonds and other. At 0.25% on diamond and other. So diamond is charged 0.2%, but this one is charged 3%. Clear? Next comes the HSN code. What is HSN code? Harmonized System Nomenclature. So harmonized system nomenclature, short form is HSN. It's HSN code. If you have noticed, while buying some products from any shop, the shop which is under GST, under have taken GST number and paying the GST bill to the consumers, and being you as a consumer, or you buy the item from that particular shop, I think you have noticed that in your invoice there is a column that is written HSN. Every item has its code, means identity of that item according to the GST portal. Identity of that item according to the GST portal. That is HSN code. So it is written that HSN means Harmonized System of Nomenclature Code, used for classifying the goods under the GST, Goods and Service Tax. So this is known as HSN. There are chapter-wise distribution under HSN of commodities. There are basically 99 chapters of GST. Let's come and see what are those. So present GST rate and structure. Is present important. Oh,